You came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am wake up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright.
Oh my goodness, you guys, it's starting to feel a little bit like fall in here. Yes, we've got some delicious butternut squash soup cooking. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will link that video above so you guys can go check that out. It's a delicious, delicious butternut squash soup recipe. Crock pot, SIBO, gut friendly. So good. I'm so excited for you guys to try that, so go check out that video. But for today's fun fall vlog, we are doing a decorate my kitchen with me. Now, I just want to say I don't buy new decorations for every season. I really don't like Halloween decorations. I'm a fall girl. I like neutral tones. I like classic pieces that are gonna stay with me for a really long time. I don't like buying new stuff every single year. I like to buy little pieces that are just gonna add to what I already have. Just little things if I have new spaces. I got rid of a bunch of stuff that I never used, that I was just storing for no reason. I pulled out my boxes earlier this week and I went through what I had, and I just got this coffee cart last year, and so I need stuff to decorate that cart, so I got some new stuff. I've slowly been collecting things because stuff has been in TJMAXXX for over a month now, and I can't, like, live and I can't walk by pumpkins without buying at least one pumpkin. So we got some new fun pumpkin decorations, so we're gonna decorate the kitchen today. That's what's gonna happen. So let's go through what we got. Let's go check out what we got. What do we got? So I got a couple little baskets for the coffee cart, because seriously, you guys, I've had that since last Christmas-ish, and Liv has always played in it, like used it for hide and seek, and I finally taking over my coffee cart. So we get to decorate that this year. Super excited. Doug and Liv picked up this pumpkin, I don't know, a week or two ago, so it's been hanging out in our kitchen already. I collected these pretty guys. I got this one, and this big beautiful guy, and this one at TJMAXXX several weeks ago. Just picked up this sign for the coffee cart. This guy's from Target last year. I just got this cute little guy last week. Of course, it's not even, well, let's get this started. Let's get this party started. Am I right? This is a garland I got last year from Target that I'm gonna put above my sink. You guys will see above that sink window. I always like to have twinkle lights on my counter, and this guy lights up, so he's gonna be on my counter. Look at these beautiful flowers I got. I love having real pumpkins and decorating the house with real flowers. I just feel like it gives a really beautiful earthy element and brings life to it. It's not just all, you know, decorations, if that makes sense. So Sorry guys, I really couldn't get my words out that day, but I was just saying that I really love the way that real flowers and pumpkins bring a real life element to decorating in the house. Now I'm going to take this beautiful autumn harvest sign that I picked up at TJMAXX Home Goods a couple weeks ago, and I'm going to put that up on the top shelf just to give it a little bit of height. And then I'm going to take this beautiful wooden pumpkin. I love that it has the gold stem, and I'm going to put it up there with the autumn harvest sign. Again, I got it at TJMAXX Home Goods just a couple weeks ago. Guys, I really want to apologize. I'm figuring out this camera still, and it's like going light, dark, so I apologize. But I wanted to talk to you guys. I got these leaves, which are actually twinkle lights on Amazon. I thought it was gonna come as like one 10-foot section, but it's two 5-foot sections. So I have enough to do both shelves, which I'm super excited about. They come with a remote, they've got a timer, they've got all different kinds of settings. I'm super excited. I just wanna add a little bit of twinkle and brightness to this coffee cart section. So let's turn these on and put these on because I'm super excited to see how these turn out. They do look a little, you know, cheap really close up, but I actually love the colors of them, and I feel like with the twinkle lights and, you know, just up higher on a shelf, they won't look bad. So very excited. So let's put these on. I absolutely love the fun fall orange color element that this really brings. I am a neutrals kind of a girl, but I love little pops of oranges, and this brought exactly what I was looking for to this shelf.
Feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best. What is best for you?
So I got this pumpkin last year at Target, and I absolutely love it. I actually like it better on this cart than this guy. I got this cute jar at TJMAXX, but the lid doesn't stay on, and it's really annoying, so that bugs me. But this is just where I keep my coffee filters. So I'm just gonna swap out my coffee filters and the pumpkin. So cute, wham bam, just like that. And then last year I used this little pumpkin guy for this. I have my coffee scoop, but it doesn't fit in here. And then I use like a whisk to whisk all my vital proteins and stuff in there. But I'm gonna have to figure out something else, I think, for that. I also haven't decided if I'm going to keep this coffee cup set up yet. Of course we have to make the coffee cup switch. Morning pumpkin, so cute. I love insulated cups. I'm a Yeti girl, not gonna lie, but I can't find a fun fall Yeti mug, so I just picked this one up at TJMAXX last year. They have lots of mugs like this at TJMAXX right now, and they're so cute. Guys, I am absolutely loving these twinkle lights. I turn them on every single morning when I'm pouring my coffee, and I love it. I absolutely love these baskets that I got at TJMAXX Home Goods. I'm just going to play around with them on my cart. I'm gonna put my vital proteins in one of them, and then the bigger basket that I put on the bottom, I wanna add real pumpkins to. Again, to add that real element to the coffee cart. And I just love real pumpkins, and Liv loves real pumpkins, so we'll have fun playing with those. And then I picked up this cute little plate at Target just last week. I love that it looks like fall. And then this little orange pumpkin I got from Target as well. I think it was $5. Again, I love sticking to whites and neutrals. Absolutely love this to add to the collection. Sorry, we have so much light happening in this room right now. But if you guys have been with me for like a hot minute, you guys will recognize this beautiful wreath. I've had it hanging in my office as like part of my backdrop just because it's so beautiful and I absolutely love it. But I originally bought this piece for this door hang because she's so pretty.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and
I use Meyer's anyway. Typically, I stock up on the rose one for all year because this one comes out around February, around Valentine's Day, and it's my favorite. I absolutely love the rose one, but it's just not quite fall without apple cider. I always get apple cider for fall, so switching out. And it's serendipitous because I just ran out of my dish soap today, so let's fill that bad boy up. Got this little jar from Target, I don't know, a year ago. Love it.
can't stop, yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase.
All right, you guys, I am adding this beautiful garland I got from Target last year. I will try to find it and have it linked down below. I absolutely love it. I saw that they have wreaths that look like this at Target this year. I love this beautiful yellow color. It brings a neutral pop of color to my kitchen, and I absolutely love it for fall. As you can see, I was struggling a little bit. One of my command hooks went missing. It must have just fallen off, and I don't know where it went. I found one, but I couldn't get it to stick, so I ended up using a tack. It was a bit of a struggle, but that's okay. I think it turned out really beautiful.
So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot.
And I really just like to keep my countertops simple. I don't like a ton of clutter on my countertops. So I just love the pumpkin with the sparkles. We'll have some real pumpkins stacked up there at some point when they start coming to TJMAXX. I've got my Meyer soap that I absolutely love. Some fresh flowers from my garden as always. And I just love how simple and clean it looks up there.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase.
All right, you guys, that wraps up this really fun fall decorate with me vlog. We've got lots more fun fall vlogs coming your way because I'm feeling so inspired right now with just the fun fall colors. We got some fun fall recipes coming your way, so don't forget to like this video because it really supports my channel. A little like goes a really long way. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe. If you hit that little notification bell, you'll never miss another video with your girl right here because it'll send you a notification. And that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this really fun video. I know I did. My kitchen looks so happy. It smells divine with my leaves candle going. Ugh, all the fun fall scents. I'm here for it. I hope you are too. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.